Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica powder. This incredibly versatile material has a wide range of applications, from absorbing moisture to thickening liquids. Understanding its properties is key to successful application. We will go through the essential steps to ensure you use it effectively and safely, achieving the best results for your specific needs. Let's get started with the basics. Before you begin, proper preparation is crucial for safety and efficiency. First, make sure your workspace is well ventilated. This helps prevent inhaling fine particles. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and a dust mask, to protect your skin and respiratory system. Finally, gather all your tools, like mixing containers, stir sticks, and measuring spoons, so everything is ready. Now, let's talk about applying the powder. When using it as a thickener, gradually add the silica powder to your liquid while stirring continuously. Begin with a small amount, perhaps a ratio of 1 part powder to 10 parts liquid, and observe the change. Continue mixing thoroughly until you achieve your desired consistency or the specific effect you are aiming for in your project. Safety doesn't end with application. Proper cleanup and storage are vital. Immediately clean up any spills using a damp cloth or a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter to contain dust. Store your silica powder in a sealed, airtight container in a cool, dry place, away from moisture. Always keep the powder out of reach of children and pets to ensure everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.